This yours? Yours? This yours? This yours? Hey! Where are you going? I want to show people in Africa how to use this thing. Did you make this? You make this? Did he make this? How much? How much for this? How much? Pesos. Pesos. How much to buy this? Hi. You know how much to buy? How much to buy the cart? Not the motorcycle, the cart. Don't know. Nobody speaks English. Tagalog.
I think it's more than 20,000.
20,000? For the cart, not the motorcycle. Just the box.
If you want to repair a car,
Just to buy a cart, 20,000. So that's about $300-400. Oops. Thank you. Come with the Coca-Cola. You come with the Coca-Cola label.